Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone. This is Ed's equipment from Tennessee, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now, Ed said he found this at a yard sale, so that's a great find. And we want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this unit. Ed's got a note with it, and he's talking about how he can't dial out. This telephone has several different issues, and one of them is the rotary. We need to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary. It's sluggish. We also want to go through the bell and bell circuit. We also have a wiring issue. Someone has wired this telephone improperly, and when you plug the line cord in, although the hook switch does work properly, the telephone just goes straight to dial tone, and you cannot dial out. If you hook that up to a regular line, what would happen is it would short your line down, and your line would go busy. So we need to go in and look at the wiring and reconfigure the wiring the proper way. We also want to troubleshoot the handset cord. We want to look at that. We want to troubleshoot the transmit, the receive. We know that the line cord is good. We've already troubleshooted that issue. What we want to do, we have our analyzer on, and I'm going to go ahead and plug the line cord in, but what you're going to see is it sees the analyzer. So we'll go ahead and plug it in, go straight to dial tone. We'll go ahead and pick up the handset, we'll hang it up, we'll pick it up and dial a 2, and so the unit is never dialing out because basically it's off hook or it's shorted. So we want to go ahead and unplug our line cord, and it released the analyzer. This telephone is in very good condition for its age. We also want to get a dial center card, something to the period of this telephone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this telephone. We're going to do some still pictures of this unit, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and when I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'll go ahead and press the button on the amplifier. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll go ahead and start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. Today is Tuesday, October 31st. The current time, 8:02 p.m. and the temperature, 45 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. We'll go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Ed and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.